Then, no, our college is going to construct a proposed sports complex for Oxford institution. Okay. We have to take some more plan for each in office, the engineer. Okay, now I am going to explain about the basement structure. Okay. So this proposed sports complex, we are having the site area. Okay. So in this site area, how they are going to plan means it is the underground car parking. So whenever we are going to construct underground, we have to give retaining wall for the surrounding earth surface. Okay. So if you see, so that line, one is the wall. Retaining wall. So this is the last one. This is the last one. That is also the retaining wall. Here also they are constructing the retaining wall. Okay. So first they are constructing the retaining wall. Then after they are going to construct the footing. Okay. So this is the basement level. They are giving up to 40 car parking facility for the Oxford institution. So how they are going to plan means, if the car comes to the hostel road, it comes in the last point. Okay, it comes at the last point and it is crossing the teenage apartment and come here. Can I explain?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, car ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರು ಹಂಗ್ ಬಂದು ಹಂಗ್ ತಿರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೋರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ so these two compound here are coming into the parking area. So it is the parking area. It comes in this direction and car exit. This is the exit area. They are going to construct the ramp in this area. So car is exit is this. So this way is going to exit the car. Okay. So this is the proposed car parking plan of our college. Then they are constructing the footing. Can you tell me what type of footing is this?
Rectangular footing.
Huh?
Rectangular footing.
What type of footing is this?
Rectangular footing.
Rectangle footing. Okay, rectangle column. They are constructing the rectangle column. Okay. What about the footing? What type of footing?
Combined.
How you will say? This is combined footing or the isolated footing?
This is isolated.
This one is isolated footing. This one is
Also isolated.
hey.
Combined.
How you are going to say this is combined footing? So how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns are there. So in this one they are going to construct the combined footing. If you see, what is your opinion about this one? They are constructing a combined column. Columns are in the closer space. What is your opinion? What? Tell me. Lift is going to come here because you see the space. Lift is going to come here. Whenever the construction of lift is constructing, we are going to construct combined footing. We are not going to construct the isolated footing. Okay. And these are the retaining wall construction. I don't have the total plan. Spiral columns are there, wire columns are there, rectangular columns are there. Okay.
Come on, sleep.
Okay. So then next week we are going to come to the diameter of the board and what type of spacing we are going to construct and what type of design we are using. Okay. Next class we will discuss because he is on leave today. He went to office. Okay. Madam,